Are you struggling with keeping in contact with your buyers after closing? Hey, this message is for all you real estate agents out there, real estate professionals. Here are a few tips that we have for you.
The after close journey. In today's video, we want to go deeper into what that looks like so you can be able to maximize the after close of a client you're working with on the buy side. So you can bring in additional business and have more success with that process. This video is actually inspired by Ian Michaels. He was on Real Estate First Technology talking about how there's money being left on the table and how he got paid 4 different ways from this process. So in today's video, we're going to learn 3 different things. We're going to learn what Ian was talking about, so how you can make more and more money after the fact when someone goes and works with you on the buy side and closes. We're also going to be talking about what does it look like to follow up with your clients from the perspective of 3, 6, 12 months. How often do you follow up? And what are some additional things that you could do to add some additional value? If you stay to the end of the video, we're going to give you a guide that you could help you with this process. And also, I'm going to give you the link to this video here and where to watch his actual remarks on Real Estate First Technology talking about this process. Welcome, my name is Junkies, your CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent, your #1 marketing positioning agency. And we've been in this business for well over 10 years, meeting thousands of agents. And there's individuals like Ian Michaels that inspires us to do better and do more by utilizing creative solutions and technology to help you have more liftoff in your business. So let's go ahead and get into it. So number 1, what can you do for the after close process to bring in additional potential referral business and also additional income? Well, there's 6 different things specifically that happens and you potentially can facilitate and tie this in with your preferred vendors. Number 1, pool care. So if you sell a home with a pool, could you refer someone to a pool care company so you can get a referral from the pool care company? Now imagine every single time that pool gets cleaned, they're going to be thinking about you as you're the one that referred them. Number 2, what about lawn or grounds care? So I'm in Gilbert, Arizona, not very much lawn here, so definitely just need someone to help out with the leaves and blowing. But if you had lawn care, you could use that as well. Someone needs to come take care of your yard. That could be someone also that you could refer, and your past clients could be thinking about you when that happens. Number 3, what about home cleaning services? So depending on the size of the home and also depending on your clients, they may need someone to help them clean their home, and that could be another opportunity. Number 4, what about security, ATP, something like that, so they can be able to have home security, and every time they set that security when they go on vacation, they think about you because you refer them to that security company. Number 5, what about pest control? This one's for my wife. My wife absolutely hates the scorpions, and yesterday we had 2, and she's like, go kill them, and I got one, and I was like, honey, you get the other one. I feel horrible about killing bugs. And so what could you do about pest control? And then number 5, what about life insurance? What about having something with life insurance, something that I've done with my daughter, so when she turns 18, 19, she could be able to utilize her life insurance to start a company, go to college, or whatever the case may be. But let's go a little bit deeper into what it looks like with the following up procedure and process. Now, you've closed escrow, it's been 30 days out. What could you do to follow up to check in? Quick phone call, quick text message, and maybe check in to see how things are going with the AC, the plumbing, the heating, because you can also refer them to any of those individuals. Now, the next step in the follow-up is I can imagine 6 months to be able to check in, see how things are going, and of course 12 months, and take it a little bit further. Why not potentially do something to be able to help them with maybe giving them a dinner for 2 so they can go out and they can celebrate, or if you're going through the process of the final walkthrough and you are looking at the house and they're imagining maybe painting an accent wall or doing something, what about giving a gift card to Home Depot so they can basically be able to paint the walls or do any updates and maybe be able to maximize those opportunities? So when we talked about the first step and the first process in this video, Ian Michaels was the one that actually inspired us to think about the after close process. And so Ian Michael talks about it here at 46:38. And if you click a link down below, you can actually watch this whole entire podcast, or you can directly just click on the link and it'll go directly to 43:47, how to make money multiplies in different ways on one deal. So thanks so much, Ian, for the inspiration behind this video and this process. Also, I want to give you something as well, where we actually put together a whole entire journey, a guide for you. So it's called the After Close Journey. And we really want to help you be able to understand, like, the first point, what could you do to make additional income after the close? What could you do to be able to follow up with the individual clients? So are you already doing this? We'll love to get some feedback. What was your biggest takeaway? You can go ahead and comment with that down below. Links there for Ian's podcast. Also, if you just down low, if you go ahead and just comment the word and make this super simple for you, After Close Journey, comment that down below, and we will send you the direct link for the guide. And there's going to be 7 guides. This is just one of 7 to help you maximize the process of being able to help your buyers, stay in touch with them, connect them with your preferred lenders. You potentially can make additional income from that, and then you can be able to have more success with the process. So we hope that was helpful. If you could do us a favor and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, that would be greatly appreciated. My name is Norman Lloyd Kinsey III, your CEO and co-founder here at Liftoff Agent, coming with creative solutions to help you have more success with this process. And last but not least, I talk about it here on this podcast. How can you leverage technology and your website to take this process to a whole other level, to automate it so you can have more success, and potentially just send a link where they can watch a video, get more information, and be able to get direct access to your referral partners. Take care. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.